Hello! Today we're going to crochet some beautiful mini basket from a leftover yarn. I will be using 10mm thick wooden crochet hook. Since our basket is going to have more of a chunky feel, hence I'm using the thicker crochet hook. And the second item you need to have is a rope yarn. So I'm using a 5mm thick one. As you can see, it has a black polyester filling and turquoise cotton outer. So all equipment has been explained, so now let's get to crochet. Please see Etsy shop where you can buy cotton cord. Now we're going to pull one of the yarn ends. We're going to twist that bit on our fingers and we're going to pull the longer piece of rope through the loop as per video. This is basically how we create a magic ring, which then becomes a base to our mini basket. As a brief explanation, we are going to create a round base first, and then we're going to knit the walls all the way around our basket. In our magic ring, we are introducing a chain number 1. As you'll see, we're using a single crochet stitch, and we're going to make 5 of them within one ring. As you can see, we have this little donut that is made out of 5 single crochet stitches, and now we're going to pull on the little piece of string that is sort of sticking out in the middle, and we're going to close that circle. And so now we're going to close our first chain with a slip stitch. Now that we closed our first chain, at the same time we created a beginning of our second chain. Now we have to insert our hook into the legs of our first stitch. We've created 5 single crochet stitches in our first chain, but now we're going to create 2 single stitches in each of the stitches from a chain number 1. So at the end of this circle, we will end up with 10 single crochet stitches in our chain number 2. Now we're going to use only single crochet stitches to build the vertical walls of the basket, and after a while you'll see how they get built up. So this is how your basket might look like. So now we're going to make a base of our handles. We are creating 10 single loops without connecting them to the edge of our basket. At the same time, we count the edge of our basket and we're missing 8 loops on that edge. And once we do 10 single loops in the air, we then connect the 11th loop to the 9th loop on the edge of the basket. As you can see, we're halfway now, and we're going to create a second handle just opposite the first one we've created. So we're using the same method, 10 single loops in the air, and then we connect it to the 9th loop on the edge of our basket. And once we connect our second handle, we're going to continue the same pattern as we did before. So placing one single crochet stitch all the way around and making 2 more full rounds. Once you've finished the round of creating the base for the handles, you're going to come back again to your first handle, and we're going to create again a single crochet stitches all the way around. So as you can see, I'm placing my crochet hook under one piece of rope and I'm pulling the other rope inside. In that way I'm creating a single crochet stitches all over again. And I'm going to use a single crochet stitch all the way around, creating our second round of the handles for the basket. Finally, once we've created our last single crochet loop, we're going to hide the remaining bit, the remaining end inside our basket. Voila, our mini crochet basket is done. Now you can put anything you want inside it. Now I would appreciate your support, so please like, comment and subscribe. Share the video if you think someone wants to do that sort of basket as well. And if you have any questions, please comment below.